So here we have Ziggy is tattooing a bison on my knee, on my thigh.
You probably need the mic a little bit closer.
Do I? Here we have Ziggy tattooing a bison on my thigh. The bison he's just drawing electrical lightning strikes going through the bison, representing a storm. This is part of a leg sleeve. It's going to have geometric patterns in it. A lot of white space and dark surrounding it.
And the lightning turns into your white line that slices it in half.
Yeah, the whitening is dividing my leg in half, so geometric patterns can sit either side with a lot of dark spaces.
Saying that,
highlighting the
if
white.
I outline this, I could also do patterns there. I just need like darker.
Darker patterns.
Yeah, I can make like a black pattern, like solid black patterns, shade dark anyways, but you can still see the black, the dark, so the white becomes white and you can still see the lightning.
And the white's popping out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I can
Oh,
use
this looks sick.
I can use the patterns all the way through the leg.
This pen's you're using is class as well. To draw it all in.
I don't even know where they come from. Christina bought them. She buys all sorts of gear for us to try and experiment.
Yeah, it's looking great.
So I probably need to split that one too. And then that turns into that guy.
Yeah, links up to the bottom. Sort of like splits a leg into half. Yeah, I like the way it goes around the mandala.
It's like your leg going from one style into another style,
Yeah.
style. All is like one.
Yeah, I can see this coming together really well.
It's actually better than I imagined this morning.
Yeah. I was struggling to imagine it this morning on how it would fit, where it would go. Like, the bison fits perfectly over that part of the thigh.
And then this allows to fill gaps as well.
Yeah.
Fills all the weird spaces that you wouldn't know what to do.
Yeah, it's going to work well with the dark and the negative spacing.
Yeah, imagine blocky pattern there that goes through in all these pockets,
Yeah, little like geometric patterns in it.
Yeah.
Different shade of black.
Should get like a Louis Vuitton somewhere as well, huh?
What?
Louis Vuitton
Louis Vuitton.
pattern, yeah. Need a little Louis.
Yeah.
Pretty much fell in love with one of them, so he for a
Yeah, looks good.
No, at least that guy makes sense then.
Yeah.
All fits there. Bring one out from there behind, slicing down half.
Yeah, I mean,
You can
They
hear
come and
that.
see there.
I'm leaving.
If you want to audition now, I'll give you feedback.
How much you pay me?
Alexa, play Magic Mike.
Half price, £50, because I'm giving you feedback for the other half.
I'll take a fiver.
So that's the. I think other stuff I'm just gonna make up as I go.
Yeah, go for it.
Cause like
You're the expert.
there's no point in me drawing those tiny bits if I can just draw tiny bits as I do tiny bits.
Yeah.
Just like electricity would have like some small ones here and there.
then it's just got a little foam one.
Yeah.
Would it work with like a stormy cloud to finish off the top of the leg at the end? Doesn't have to put it on now, which is another session or whatever. I'm just thinking as I'm going along.
Maybe like we can grab.
A fucking moon and dark cloud and...
Yeah. What I mean is we can grab maybe a cloud from different style that looks like a cloud. So realism style just looks like nothing. But because we have this more in line work and that was kind of realism, we can go back into tread and then make like a cloud. Oh, better than this, but like line work cloud. And you could stick like a moon there, in a sense, and it would still read as the same image. It's just different style in a sense.
Yeah, mixing up the styles.
And then you can have like a mandala with loads of little detail lines. This can also be
like a mandala cloud.
Yeah.
I've never even heard of that, but sounds awesome already.
Yeah. I just think like the cloud in a different style would translate better being a cloud than realism clouds.
Yeah.
Just because these are just clouds. I don't know if I want to do them today.
No.
Because I would love to like design them like nicely, not just like
take your time.
freehand.
No rush whatsoever.
And then we can stick in a what's it called? Moon stuff in there.
Sounds look great.
Pretty dope.
Bison. Yeah, dope as.
Hopefully you filmed it all.
Filmed it all.
It's recording, yeah.
Yeah. 6 minutes 40.
The mic's start hiding.
Oh, 6 minute 40.
No, it's yeah. Yeah, I think that's a good start, no?
Yeah.
So that is from my view when I was seeing basically what I was drawing. So what I'm saying is those are gonna like imagine there's a line there. So I'm probably gonna use a different cloud imagery to get clouds like a cloud. Storm comes out, lightning goes, lightning strikes that white. You can't see that white line as a lightning line comes, splits in two. So there's one, there's another one. So 1, 2 goes. And then they follow and they're going to split the leg here in half, and then we have Japanese water there to add more detail into like nowhereness. And then we're going to put pattern there, and then we're going to put a pattern there, so like similar to that. So that's like the aim is to put these patterns there, just so you can visually see. And then, yeah, then we're gonna see. Who knows? We make stuff up as we go. That's always been the case with your arm and with everything.
Yeah.
I can't even see.
I love it.
But yeah, that's where we are. And then you can see end of the day, how this went, I guess. So a quick midday session. So I've lined it all black to there. And then that's pure black, that shading ink on each side. Outline with I think it was 5 liner, maybe. But yeah, those were the marker lines I drew, made them more busier, and then basically the lightning comes from the splits in two, and then that becomes that line, and then it goes and becomes these 2 lines, and then it carries all the way there. So that's as far as we are here.
You thinking like that?
And that's the plan.
With these bits all covered in shading so the light's popping.
Yeah, that's the one.
Sick.
Right, here we are. So, like I said before, that black line is black, and then you got shading ink, which is allegory number 2, grey wash, pre-mix or just grey wash. Yeah, that's what I used, and then also used that there. So, the lightning comes, the clouds we're gonna design that, and then lightning comes, goes around. Maybe you could turn this a little bit. Yeah, beautiful. Oh fucking hell, that looks mint in the video.
Doesn't it?
Yeah, it comes and then splits into 2, and then that is the one what goes into those 2 lines. Obviously, inside here we still need to shade, but one, we ran out of time, and we also capped the paint, so fuck it, that could be next time. But yeah, that will be basically the one line that goes in front, and then the second one goes the. But even basically, I try to make it look cool, even though it's not finished. People will be like, "Oh my god, that's sick." That's kind of what we want, even if it's not finished. If he's happy, I'm happy. People will be happy.
Super happy.
And I outlined this with 5, if I'm not wrong, 5 or 7 liner. I shaded all that with 15 mag, and then 9 power liner all the corners, because you can't really get in a corner with a bigger needle. So big needle, the big chunks, and then small corners with small needle. Then the same 9 you can see here outlined, so that line there is thicker, so made the horns a bit stronger than a thin needle. And then they use the same bigger needle to outline, shade the corners. And then same here, all the way there, I use the big mag to shade all the chunks, and then a small needle for the corners. Now we have mapped this out. Next, either we're gonna do the geometry there or behind, who knows, we don't know really. What do you want to do next time?
Not sure. I'm gonna go and have a look, and I don't know whether there's a bit of geometry in here.
Yeah, we need to see how this is healed.
Yeah.
Because the geometry would slide underneath her there. Those areas that are shaded today.
Yeah, I like the white. I like the way the white pops. So I don't know. Maybe a little bit of geometry.
No, I mean, all that needs to be fully with geometry. But what I mean is, the next section is not that far booked in. So I'm just thinking how this shading will heal.
So maybe then we move to the
Yeah,
back.
because I managed to damage today. Yeah, that's us today. From 10 till, where are we now? 18:24. So, what does that make? About 8 hours.
8.5.
Yeah, 7 hours. Yeah, that's where we are now. As you can see in the previous video, you saw this. So that's healed now. That's also healed. Maybe you can spin it over. See, show the mandala. Then you can see the mandala also has healed, mint every smallest little lines there. Yeah, beautiful. Healed, really, really nice. So yeah, that's where we are now.